Hey guys, good morning. Today is February 15, so it is Saturday. No, I'm so advanced. It's Friday. It's still Friday. So anyways, I will be vlogging today because probably later on tonight I'm gonna take my husband out for dinner. You gotta spoil your man sometimes. You don't really have to at least expect for your, boyfriend or your husband to give you, stuff. So you gotta spoil them sometimes, So anyways, I'm gonna do that. Oh my god. It is, I don't know what that sounds, but it is currently 12:54 noon, and the weather is actually nice. It is 60 degrees outside, so thank god it's 60 degrees because I don't want to be out and about while it's cold outside. But tomorrow it's gonna snow, so that sucks. So we're gonna take advantage of the weather today since it's 60 degrees. I'm just gonna get dressed as I have to drop off some stuff at my job. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later when I get dressed. Okay guys, I'm already at the car, so I'm really happy because I get to wear my sleeveless. And yes, let's go to the whatchamacallit, because later on we're going to Outback Steakhouse for dinner. So I just need to run some errands, go to the office, and yeah, I'll have to talk to you guys later because I'm in a hurry because I'm gonna be late. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so by the way, my sister's restaurant is finally gonna be open tomorrow, which is if you live around Lapu-Lapu area from Cebu City, or not from Cebu City but around Lapu-Lapu area, you can go ahead and check out. It's right beside, at the back of Grand Mall Basak. I believe she told me it's like the back of the Grand Mall Basak, Lapu-Lapu, I believe. If you are from, like I said, from Lapu-Lapu area, you can go ahead and check the restaurant. I believe she's selling like barbecues and some alcohols and some other foods over there. So if you want to hang out with your friends, you can go ahead and check her restaurant. Yeah, she's out here, be pregnant, cooking my nephew, and doing her business, and I'm really happy about that. So yeah, go ahead and check. I think I have to ask her what time they open and what foods are they serving, so I'll probably put it in the screen by now. So I gotta ask her about that later on. But yeah, make sure if you're from Lapu-Lapu area, go ahead over there if you want to get drunk and have some food. So make sure to check it out. The restaurant name is Hungry Monkey, so it's kind of unique, like the name of the restaurant. So make sure to check it out. Oh shoot, I don't need the basket. Okay, anyway, so I'm still heading at the office. I'm caught in traffic, and anyways, yeah. So, and also probably next week, guys, I gotta get my tent, my windows tinted. Is that, yeah, because it was like a couple weeks ago, this guy was trying to follow me for some reason, and I'm not scared at all because I know, I can just like go straight to the sheriff's office if somebody's following. It's just a guy that it's a creep, straight creep, and my husband doesn't, I told him about that, and he's just really mad and upset about it. And I should have took the plate number to report it or stuff like that. But yeah, I need to get my windows just for my safety. So yeah, oh my god, it's traffic. I'm gonna be late.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, finally I'm done at the office, and now I literally just went and get some gas earlier, and I went straight here at the restaurant, Filipino restaurant, and like a grocery store because I need some rice. So, and I'm hungry because I didn't eat breakfast. I just literally had a coffee earlier, and now my stomach is like growling. So I'm gonna go inside and eat, and I'm gonna get some grocery. I might vlog, I don't know. My anxiety is, I don't know. I might vlog inside if there's few people, but if there's a lot of people, I'm just not gonna bother vlogging. But anyway, I'm gonna go now because I'm hungry. So yeah, so here is in the inside of the grocery store. They literally have, well, not everything, but most of this, like the snacks. Oh my god, this used to be my favorite, nagaraya. So I'm just, since the restaurant is over there on the other side, let me just look at some food that I might buy later on. I like the sardines and their tuna. Okay guys, so I'm done eating. I ate I believe there was pork, crispy pork, that's what they called it. And then I also ordered shrimp pancit for takeout later, and then I also had a spicy beef caldereta, which is so freaking good. And then I got like a 25 pounds of rice, so hopefully that will last me for like 2 months. I'm going to check and see if they have TJ Maxx around here. So yes, let's go. Guys, look at this. This is the Profusion Cenas. I'm actually at the Marshalls right now, and Marshalls really out here selling this kind of makeup. And oh my god, I might get this one. Oh my god, they have Profusion, they have whatchamacallit. Okay, that's the chocolate right there, and some lashes right here. So when this two, I might get this one. I want to try Profusion eyeshadow because I haven't tried any Profusion. And look at their brushes right here, guys. They have e.l.f., they have Brand New, and they have Real Techniques right there. So I'm shopping for makeup so I can give it to my sister and my friends, and probably I'm gonna add more makeup on my giveaway soon. So I'm just checking here so I can save money, because I already have, like, there's gonna be 2 winners on the giveaway. So I might buy a brushes, I don't know yet, or this Real Techniques brushes for my giveaway, I don't know. So let me just decide. Guys, look at this. They have Anastasia. I think this is the single eyeshadow for $3.99 right there. $3.99. Just put that back. And yes, guys, you see what I see? They have the skull Anastasia Subculture eyeshadow, and it's $20 something, no, $19.99. It's like $20 for this one right here. Oh my god, guys, if you want to win this one, let me know. So probably next week I'll buy it if they still have it, because it's only $20. So let me know. Guys, they even have Bare Minerals right here, and they have aloe vera mist. Let's see what they have. Retinol. They have so much skincare here. Some serum, vitamin C serums for acne, and they also have L'Oreal. This is the anti-wrinkle and firming. Guys, who else have you guys tried a ketogenic coffee? Let me know if they're any good. If not, I might order, as I heard on Instagram they're selling like keto coffee, so I might try some coffee. They said it's good. It has energy, metabolism and brain power. Ooh, brain power. And how much is this? $9.99. They also have some collagen. And this is the collagen beauty for hair, skin and nails. Okay, I'm going to get some brush holder since I'm running out. Well, I have a lot of brush now, so I have to get a brush holder. And oh my goodness, look at this. Some fake plants again. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's so cute. Some candles. I don't need candles because I still have more candles. Okay guys, so I'm at the kids section. I'm gonna look for Raven's some shirt for him. This is like active sportswear. Okay, anyway, I might just go to the mall probably next week because I really don't like, well, some of them is good, but I really can't find anything for my brother because some of them is activewear and I don't think he likes activewear. So I'm gonna try to just, hopefully next week I'll go to the mall. Our mall here really sucks because I don't know, it's getting tiring and boring. So might want somewhere in Virginia, so we have choices. Well, if so I can have choices. But anyway, look at this baby section. Oh, look at that. I wish I can just ship that to my sister. Oh, look at this. It's the train. Oh my god, all this baby stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna end up sending 2 balikbayan boxes, guys, because oof, the one box is not enough. So yeah, that's the purpose of me going to Waldorf probably next week so I can get out the box. Oh my god, struggle. OFW life. Okay guys, so I'm here at Walmart. I'm gonna try to get some groceries that we need for this week, and I'm gonna try this chia seeds because I heard a lot of people raving about chia seeds. So yes, so we're gonna get the chia seeds as well. Anyway, yeah, it's pretty packed at Walmart. There's like literally so much people in here, but I'm gonna try to vlog inside. I literally just got off the phone with my friend Mariella, so I told her about my sister's restaurants open already for tomorrow, so I told her to probably stop by there. So yes, okay, let's go because it's already 4 o'clock and I need to go back home because we are going to eat later for dinner with my husband. So I will talk to you guys later. Okay guys, so I found the L'Oreal Infallible, I think this is the 24-hour, wait, no, just the concealer. So I pick up the shade Vanilla. Anyway, this is the L'Oreal 24-hour Fresh Wear, the new ones. And is this new? Is this, it's, oh, it's like infallible sharpening sticks. Okay, and I think this is new from the Physicians Formula right here. Yeah, I believe these are new. Milani lipstick. They don't have the Milani concealer because Milani released new concealer, but they don't have it in here. Okay, these are new as well from Wet n Wild, guys. I might do like a full face using Wet n Wild again because I did a makeup video before, but now since they release new products, I might do it, but not this time, but I might do it. So I wanna try to find the foundation stick first because I already have this, and I know I think my foundation is expired and I don't want to use expired foundation. But these are the new bronzers as well, which is, this is Ticket to Brazil I have this one, and I believe this is $3.93, almost like $4. So I might do like a full face of Wet n Wild. These are bomb. Mellow wine, where is my mellow wine? Yep, this is it. Under $3, I mean under $10. Video is now up, so you guys check it out. And I've been trying to find the elf. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna get these. This is just what I need for maybe this week, so let's just go. Hey guys, so I'm done at Walmart. Now I'm gonna drive to I'm on my way to BJ's. It's literally just here in the area. So whatchamacallit, yeah, I'm going there because I'm gonna, my sister Sydney, she said she wants some spam and whatchamacallit, what else, spam, oatmeal. I need to buy more lotion. All of this stuff that I'm mentioning right now is going to be for the balikbayan boxes, since I'm sending 2 packages, not 1 but 2 big balikbayan box. So yes, I gotta, the first box is already filled, so I'm just waiting for the second box to be full, so I can do a balikbayan haul and I can show it. So I can show it to you guys, since I haven't done that kind of video before. So I might do that. And yeah, it is wait, it's 5 o'clock now, and you can see the traffic already. So yes, after this we are going to Outback, like I said earlier. So I'm really excited to eat steak because I've been craving for some steak. And for my food later, or for this next week, I'm gonna make a whatchamacallit, I'm gonna make a stir fried beef with broccoli. Yeah, so I tried to find TJ Maxx around where I live, guys, but we don't have TJ Maxx. So we're here at BJ's. Okay, let me grab a cart. I didn't bring my tripod, so it's okay. Let me grab a card. Okay guys, so I changed my mind. I'll just have to do this next week because I'm really in a hurry. We have to go to the Outback, so I'll just go home. Hey guys, so never mind. I'll just have to do, like I said earlier, I'll just have to do the BJ thing next week. But I had I picked up some coupons. So let's go. Where is my glasses? Hey guys, so I'm just gonna do a quick grocery haul. I got egg whites, mushroom right there, a yogurt. This is the 0% fat. Lemon, well, lemons. I got 3. Broccoli and beef. And then I also got some honey smoked turkey breast. And then this is the oven roasted chicken breast right there. And also got some eggs, 12 eggs. And then this is the shrimp pancit earlier. Okay guys, so I got this Infallible full wear concealer. I picked up the shade 355 vanilla, and I'm also curious about this whatchamacallit, baby skin instant pore eraser. So that's just that, and this is like $17 because this is like 10 something, almost $11, and it's like $6. So yeah, you know, plus tax. But I'm really excited to try these 2 out. Okay guys, now I'm back in the car. I'm just heating up my car since I'm gonna drive on the way to Outback. I'm just waiting on my husband to come since he's still getting dressed. So I don't know if we're going to Golden Corral or Outback, but I told him I want the Outback because I like steak. So yes, we're going there. It's almost 6 o'clock. It's 5:55. So we're gonna be, it's close. It's not that far. It's like 10-11 minutes from where I live. So yes, we're going there. And oh, I actually got this, you guys, at Best Buy. I think I forgot to show it to you, but this is the Joby tripod. Yeah, right there. I paid $40 for this one. Yes, it's expensive, but yeah, that's that for my DSLR, so I can vlog for my so it can hold my DSLR, the SL2, and then this G7X, since my tripod that I got from Philippines is no longer whatchamacallit, it's broke. So that's why I purchased this one right here, right there. And then I like it because it's black and has that touch of red. So where is my husband?
Get 50% off every 4th visit.
Jesus
this is
Christ.
our one. It's our first one, so.
Is that how the Aussie
That's
accent?
some bullshit. My accent is really bad. It's
Yeah.
really bad. It's not even close. Let's see. Good day, mate. Is it good? Is it good?
Nah, you gotta do it harder.
Nah. Good day, mate.
Baby.
Harder?
That sounds awful.
That was close.
No, that's not
That was really
awful.
close.
Oh my
I think I was
god.
almost there.
Crab cake for appetizer, and we got Caesar salad. Maybe got a beer, and I got strawberry lemonade. So we got steak and mac and cheese, same as my husband right there. We're still in the middle of eating that crab cake. It's really good.
Don't need no more.
It's really good. We got New York cheesecake with raspberry puree and mac and cheese. Okay guys, we're finally home. My husband is drunk, so I'll just gonna end this vlog today. Hopefully you like this vlog. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon.